Hi, good morning, one and all. Today we can discuss about skeletal system. What is meant by skeletal system? Skeletal system is the framework of bone formation with cartilage is known as a skeletal system. The skeletal system is two types. One is the exoskeleton, another one is the endoskeleton. Exoskeleton means the skeletal system is present outside of the body is known as a exoskeleton. When the bone work of formation is present inside, that is called as a endoskeleton. In our body the skeleton is the endoskeleton having a how many bones? 206 bones. That's why for us how many bones is present? 206 bones is present. Now this endoskeleton is divided into two types. One is the axial skeleton, another one is the appendicular skeleton. Axial skeleton means the bones is present in the mid of the body, that is called as a axial skeleton. It means suppose now this is called as a axial skeleton. In this framework formation is known as a axial skeleton. And then appendicular skeleton, the side it means indicates hands and legs formation, that is called as a appendicular skeleton. Axial skeleton having a how many bones is present? 80 bones. Appendicular skeleton having a 126 bones. Totally 206 bones are present. Now first I can go for the axial skeleton. The axial skeleton consists of skull, hyoid bone, sternum, ribs, vertebral column, and ear ossicles. Now, this skull is divided into two parts. One is the cranial bones, another one is the facial bones. Cranial bones, how many cranial bones is there? 8 cranial bones is present. Facial bones 14. Hyoid bone 1. Sternum 1. Ribs 24. Vertebral column 26. Ear ossicles 6. For totally how many bones is present? 80 bones is present. Now one by one we can discuss. Now here see the skull is divided into two parts. One is the cranial bones, another one is the facial bones. How many cranial bones is present? 8 cranial bones is present. What is cranial bones? The bones which can covers the brain is known as a cranial bones. Now I can go for a code for a cranial bones. Topsy, hero and Topsy. TOPFSE, Topsy. T for temporal, O for occipital, P for parietal, F for frontal, S for sphenoid, E for ethmoid. Among this, which one is paired bones? Temporal and parietal. Simple code PT master. PT. This both only paired one. Remaining occipital, frontal, sphenoid, ethmoid. These are all are the unpaired bones. Totally how many bones is there? Cranial bones 8 cranial bones is there. Now I can show the location. Location is very important. Now here see this bone is called as a temporal side, temporal. And this one is called as a parietal. This totally this part is called as a parietal. This front part is called as a frontal. This part is called as a occipital. Back side part is called as a occipital. And then this part is called as a ethmoid bone. And the base of this skull means inside, inside middle of the cranium, inside, that is called as a sphenoid bone. Now see, that's why I wrote temporal means what? Lateral part of the cranium. Occipital is the posterior part. Parietal is the major portion of the sides and roof. Frontal is forehead. Sphenoid, very important, sphenoid bone is the middle base of the skull, like this, base of the skull, base of the skull. And then This sphenoid bone is called as a keystone bone. Why the sphenoid bone is called as a keystone bone means this sphenoid bone is articulated or jointed with all the bones. That's why sphenoid bone is the keystone bone. And ethmoid, midline of the anterior part. Totally how many bones is there? Cranial bones, 8 cranial bones is present. Now we can go for the facial bones. In face, they can go for a key, Jin, VP, MML, Jin, VP, MML. Z for zygomatic bone, I for infranasal, N for nasal concave, V for vomer, P for palatine, M for mandibular, another M for maxillary, L for lacrimal bones. Now among this, VM, vomer and mandibular, these two bones only unpaired one, remaining all are paired one. That's why the digital code for this one is the 222 totally how many bones is present? 14 bones are present. Now one by one zygomatic bones. Now see here, zygomatic bones, this cheek bones is called as a zygomatic bones, and then this is called as a infranasal, and this one is called as a nasal concave. Here this one part is called as a nasal concave, this part is called as a vomer, and the side parts is called as a palatine, lower jaw, this part is called as a mandibular. In face, longest and strongest bone is the mandibular bone, and upper jaw, this is called as a maxillary bones. Here the two bones is present, but a mandible is only single bone. Keep in mind, in skull, this bone only, that is the lower jaw, mandibular bone only movable, remaining all are the non-movable ones. Lacrimal, eye socket bones, see this is the eye socket bones, that is called as a lacrimal bones. Totally for us they having how many bones is there? 14 bones are present. Next, hyoid bone. See here, this base part, this base of the tongue, here they having a bone, that bone is called as a hyoid bone, only single bone is present. And this part is called as a sternum. See this part is called as a sternum. Here this part, everything they having a ribs, and back side they having a vertebral column is present. Okay, now here I already said location of the sternum. Now I can go for the ribs. Now the ribs is articulated with ventral, this is called as a ventral side, and this one is called as a dorsal side. Now here see, the ribs articulated with the sternum in this side, and back side it is articulated with the vertebral column bones, like with the backbone. Now this is ventral side, that is the sternum. Dorsal side they having a vertebrae. Here our ribs is the bicephalic nature. Keep in mind, bicephalic nature. Bi means what? Two. Here this part is called as a head, this part is called as a neck, this part is called as a tuberculum. The rib head is articulated with the vertebral body in one side. It means both the side it will be articulated. It means the rib is articulated with the two sides. That head is called as a bicephalic nature. And then another side, this rib is attached with the sternum. That's why the ribs is classified into three types. One is vertebrosternal, another one is the vertebrochondral, another one is the floating ribs. Vertebrosternal ribs means the ribs is articulated with the one side with the sternum, another side with the vertebral body. That ribs is called as a vertebrosternal ribs. That is how many pairs is there? 7 pairs. That ribs is called as a true ribs. Vertebrochondral ribs, 7 is over, remaining they having what? 8, 9, 10. This 8, 9, 10 ribs articulated with seventh rib. Here they having a cartilage. That's why 8, 9, 10 is articulated with the cartilage of the seventh pair of rib. That's why that rib is called as a vertebra. Why? Because one side it is articulated with the vertebrae, another side it is articulated with the chondra, means cartilage. It is articulated with the cartilage. That's why that rib is called as a vertebrochondral ribs. That is how many pairs? 3 pairs. And then floating ribs, they not able to articulate it with either sternum or not able to articulate it with the vertebrae. You can observe in downside they not able to articulate it. That is how many ribs? 2 pairs. That's why vertebrochondral floating ribs, the both will be called as a false ribs. Next, if we go for the vertebral column, our backbone having a 5 types of vertebrates: cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacral, coaxial. Cervical, how many vertebrae is present? 7. Thoracic 12, lumbar 5, sacral 5, coaxial 4. Total how many? 33 vertebrates is present. That is in the children's. But if you come to the adults, cervical 7 only, thoracic 12, lumbar 5, sacral 5 vertebrates is fuses. They can form only one vertebrae. Coaxial 4 vertebrates is fuses. They can form a one vertebrae. That's why in adults how many vertebrates is there? 26 vertebrates is there. The last they having a ear ossicles. Now this ear ossicles, in each ear they having a 3. That is a miss, malus, incus, stapes. Malus, incus, stapes. Here one ear they having a 3, another ear they having a 3, totally 6. Now in axial skeleton total how many bones is there? 80 bones are present. Tomorrow class we can discuss about the appendicular skeleton.